What's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like Sosocamo in this new song called Say That. He just dropped the song a few days ago as I'm recording this, and I really like how the song sounded, so I thought I'd make you guys a little preset. But yeah, I'm not gonna yell too much in this intro, let's just get into it. Just in case you guys haven't heard this song, this is Say That by Sosocamo.
I got dust on the rings, bust down the chain. I ain't asked for the fame. Been at this straight since I got me some change. Getting money, nigga, I won't fall, I won't change. Turn on, hit my line, hit my phone, we go way back. Me and bro too cold, pull up smoke in it Maybach. Every time I slide, cool, hit you on the way back. Whatever you need, cool, babe, just say that.
Okay, and now as always, I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals, so let's go ahead and turn off all these presets, and this is what it sounds like. Okay. Anyways, now I'm gonna turn on all these presets, and this is what it sounds like. So yeah, that's what those Sosocamo presets sound like, and these presets are completely free in my Discord. The only preset here that isn't free is this master preset, which for this video I did use my Best Waves master preset, which is $10 on my website BNVLNT.shop. But if you want this entire FLP as well as a template that's ready to record in with all these presets set up for you, and my Best Waves master preset as well as my best stock master preset, all of that will be just $15 on my website. And if you get it right now, it'll be even cheaper because I have a holiday sale running until January 1st, where everything on my website is 25% off. So go check out my website BNVLNT.shop and get you some presets. But if you guys just want these free presets, that is completely fine. All you have to do is go to the Discord linked in the description, scroll down here to where it says BNVLNT presets, and the Sosocamo presets will be right here. And if you scroll up, there's hundreds of free presets in this Discord channel, so go get you some free presets and make some good music. But yeah, the last thing I'm gonna show you guys real quick is my auto-tune settings, just in case you guys use a different auto-tune. So this song was in the key of B flat minor. I use a retune speed of 4 and a humanize of 28 on the main, and then on the Adlib I use a retune speed of 4 and a humanize of 21. Also, I just want to show you guys, you probably heard it in the intro of this, but this Adlib is probably one of my favorite Adlibs I've ever made. Like, it just sounds so cool. I'm definitely gonna start using this more, so if you get anything from this video, please just go get this free Adlib preset. I just finished up recording this video, but I completely forgot that this song is actually pitched down. So the version of the song you guys heard was actually pitched up 50 cents, and I'm not gonna bore you too much with how I found out that it was pitched down 50 cents. Essentially, the BPM was weird and the key of the song was detuned, so I knew it was pitched down. Found out it was 50 cents. So what I did is I pitched it back up 50 cents, recorded on that beat, and now real quick I'm gonna pitch it down for you guys and show you guys what it sounds like pitched down, because it'll probably sound even more like the original song. And most people use this technique to pitch up their songs, but if you want to pitch down your songs or pitch up your songs, all you have to do is take the entire song, highlight the section of the song you want to be pitched down, press Ctrl-Alt-C, which consolidates it into one track. Make sure enable master effects is off, and then click start. And then once that's done, all you have to do is double click on this, pitch it down however much you want, or if you want to pitch it up, you can pitch it up with this knob right here, which also slows it as well. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what this sounds like real quick before I wrap up this video.
Me and bro too cold, hold us move and I
And so yeah, that's what the song sounds like slowed down. So it sounds a little bit more accurate. It sounds a little bit more like Sosocamo's voice. So yeah, if you want to use this technique, you can. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. So if it helped you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.